Yo, hi guys! I know it's been a while since my last video, but we're back and today we're playing Build My Car. I'm gonna launch. Ooh, I go kind of fast. Also, my friend is here. Say hi. Yeah. It sounds like a type of jelly. Wanna ride in my car? Okay. You know what? Should I get an engine? If one's in stock? Ah, dang it. I'm gonna buy the 3 wheels that is in stock for 5 fuels and some 5 blocks. I literally have 10 left. Exactly 10. Actually, no, I don't want to make my car too long. I'm gonna place this block just. You know what? I'm gonna place a field right there. Oh wait, I think is this music copyright? Okay, crap.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. I just went inside of where the boulder comes out. Yeah, you can do it. Wait, what? How?
Okay, this is working.
Oh. I think I'm going to make it to the bridge section. Oof.
I'm really glad that you decided to take this somewhere else.
As long as I know there's trouble with the kids, my mom said she looked at me like I hung the moon. It was dumb that I tried to be that person. Maybe that was my mistake. I didn't just decide to.
Okay, let's launch.
What? Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, I have like a ton of. Well, I only have one engine actually. I think it's because I have so much fuel or something. Oh no, it's because I have more wheels, I'm pretty sure. Hold up, I'm still going. Oof. Okay. Wanna ride?
This dude does not know how to play. This dude has 2 engines. No, 3 engines in Celestial.
Maybe you should just knuckle up and stop being such a little bitch. Seriously, there's a world where getting fired is the best thing to happen to you.
I don't know about that.
Well, Jared told me your advisor said that most first years.
I think it's because you have no wheels. I think that's why you're going back.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be.
Oh, I can't even hop on the passenger seat.
Part of being alive.
Wait, launch?
Okay, sorry. Yeah. This section, the crush section, I'll call it. Ow, ow, ow. I'm literally stuck. Okay. The ice section, I guess I'll just call it that. Oh, I think it's a castle. Look at the top of those. No, no. Wait, so you can just walk to wherever you want? I'm just going to stop at 1,000 studs. Let's see what I can buy. I can buy... Should I save up for an advanced wheel? Or not an advanced...
Yeah, you should. And come over to me. You need to join.
Oh wait, don't say my nickname yet. Hi guys, also I never told you this, but my nickname is Soy Sauce.
Okay, come over here to my area. The passenger seat is ready.
I'm coming. Whoa, look how small this guy's car is.
One second. Oh yeah, that's just the regular car, but different. Okay, hop on.
Why was I... Okay, hold up. I think you got to start it first.
Yeah, that's what happened. See? This is the first time I've ever made it this far.
Yeah. But for you, I made it past this. Well, those
Keep on walking.
what will happen?
I don't know.
I'm so excited for when I get a star code. Do you know why?
Bye.
I can make Robux off of my fans buying Robux and then using my star code to give me the same amount of Robux they bought, and they keep their Robux.
That's smart.
No, it's a thing.
I know. But it's smart. Whoever created it is smart, right?
Yeah. Actually, I think David Pazuki created star codes.
Huh?
the owner of Roblox.
Okay, thanks. My memory's a little bad.
I'm in the ocean.
Wait, what? Isn't it funny how you can like, wait, what?
Yeah. Wait, why does my distance say negative 3,950 and this is an invisible barrier? Look at this. Do you see this? Return. Return. Okay.
One second, I'm gonna jump off
Return though, okay, and then come to my area and look. This is an invisible barrier for me because I launched while I was over there and it says negative 3,950 studs exclamation point. It should be question mark. Do you see this? What the frick?
You used the oil fuel.
And I don't even think I got a single dollar. Ow.
I'm gonna keep on walking.
I dare you to launch when you're at the ocean. It'll do the same to you.
This will take a while.
I'm gonna buy a wheel, some fuel cans, some blocks.
Launch right here. Wait, what is this negative something starts? But I'm going. For some reason, there is no barrier. Wait, now it's going for normal studs.
Excuse me. Do you dare me to? Ooh, I just fell off the map
How did you do that?
by doing what you did earlier. Also, I'm still recording too.
Good job. I'm really buying fuel cans so I can go farther.
Oh. Also, hold up. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Please. I'm trying to get my own star code so I can make Robux while I'm offline and online too. So, I would really appreciate if you did that.
I'm going for the
I'm on the bridge. I finally made it on the bridge. I made it to the next area.
nice.
Well, why is the advanced fuel never coming in stock?
I feel it. I already no engine. Wait, what?
I like how it says shop, but all there is money. Like, how's that a shop? That should just be like, right? Sorry, I stutter sometimes. Don't make fun of me.
Just like Ben.
You can make fun of Ben. He's not really my friend anymore.
I do not make fun of Ben.
Yeah, but we kind of got in a fight.
Yikes, Yoda.
What? Yo, but other fields are so good. But blue field is good for starters. I mean, really good for starters. Oh, how did I just do that? I still have a ton of fuel left. I mean, not a ton, but still kind of a lot. I bet I can make it across this bridge. Yep. I wonder, can I? Oh, I just fell in the ocean.
Classic.
Yo, I should just make $2 so I can get another fuel. Let's
So
go.
I need to launch my car 2.0.
Wait, can I come?
Yeah, I know it just launched, but it's okay. I just came back. I have an experiment.
How did you can just do that?
Negative 36 studs.
Dude, I was negative 3,000, almost 4,000 studs. When I launched while I was in the ocean. Wait, I need to get on this seat so then now you can launch.
Oh, I'm going fast.
Your wheels are jiggling.
I know.
They're just like. Bro, one time I got almost crushed, but almost did just a backflip on like under it. It crushed the back of my car, but I just like did a backflip.
Wanna know how far this car can go?
How much? Wait, I'ma do the same thing. I'ma go to the ocean.
Me too. I'm gonna go in the ocean. Then we have to each other, then launch. I don't know what will happen, but probably not.
I just launched and it says negative 3,000 studs. Look at me! Wait, return. Press return.
One side,
Press return, please.
one size no.
No, please. It's funny. I'm dying. I'm stuck. Well, that other guy was just looking at me and like, what the heck? Sometimes Roblox is the best.
I bought my second engine. But first I need to do something.
What the frick? I'm literally stuck. Ow. I just jumped up in the air. Because I got crushed but I didn't explode.
I'm like, wait, what the heck? Oh my god, it's not pasta. Sawyer,
I just fell in the ocean.
I have 2 engines now. You need to come.
Okay, I just fell.
Oh, what the heck?
I'm coming.
The guy right next to me, he's so crazy.
Wait, how is that going to work?
I don't know. It's worked before for him, I bet.
There's a fuel that isn't even attached. I'm guessing the whole thing attaches to your thing, even if you don't make everything connect. That's why I'm guessing. Or that fuel just gets. Wait, let's watch him launch.
If he does.
I must say in chat, launch.
But his name's Danny Jr. or something. The chat say Danny Jr. launch.
Danny. Oh. How does that work?
I don't know.
Well, there's just a fuel can floating. Maybe we should do that. Maybe we're doing something wrong.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
I have 2 engines now. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me.
Whoa, whoa. I'm going so fast. Ain't I?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going even faster now.
Wait, how?
I'm going forward. I'm walking.
Yo! Do not fall in the... Wait, do you dare me to launch when I'm like way over to the back of the ocean? Wait, hold up, don't launch it. I'ma do something funny. Okay, watch this. Wait. It's so hard. I'm so... Wait, Thomas. What? I can't move. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Oh. I'm literally dying.
You died of laughter.
Yes. Okay. Wait, what? How did I get on that ramp? Did you see that? Try to save the cactus.
Well, I'm gonna walk way over there.
To the ocean, and then launch, and then come to me and.
Walk past
and then come to me after that, okay?
No, I'm gonna say you come to my car, you sit on it, and then I'll say, then you say launch, and I'll press launch.
No, after you do it, I dare you to come over to my area, run into my car, and then I'll watch and see what happens.
No, Cole, I'm just walking right here.
Let's see what's in the box shop. Hey, that rhymes. Wait, no, it doesn't.
Is there anything good?
There's some wheels, some basic fuels, some blocks, and a advanced engine, a super wheel, glass,
How much does the advanced engine cost?
1,000.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna walk across the bridge, and once I pass the bridge, I'm gonna launch.
Okay, and then what I dare you to do is run right into my car, and then I'll launch.
I just saw Danny Jr. launch right past me.
Oh my. Was he just like, wait? Was he just like this? Wait?
And he's just like, "Meow."
No, he's just like, wee. Well, I just realized they should add a seatbelt to walk to this game. So then if you buy it, you put it on the seats and it makes your car stronger.
Okay, Sawyer,
What?
I'm at the fork in the road, and now I'm gonna press launch.
Okay, and then to come to my base
I'm gonna do it. Wee, meow.
and then run into my car.
I'm stuck for
Run, go backwards, and then. What the frick? How? How did I just do that?
My God.
Okay, I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. Okay, there we go.
You need a monster wheel. 2 of them.
Oh my god, this is insane. I'm a demon. I'm a get a la la. There's nothing really there good.
I'm buying basic fuel.
Yeah, that's what I bought.
Now I'm gonna buy the 3 wheels, all the fuel, and the blocks. 'Cause why not, right?
Yeah. You know what? I'm a good turn and I just got ran over by a boulder. But that's why I said about Gaius. I said, I'm going to the turn. I'm just like, I'm going to the turn. I just got ran over by a boulder. There was even 3 wheels. There's 5.
Wait, 5 right now?
Yeah.
Why is it just stopped?
Okay, I am weirded out and I am going to blah 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 and I'm going backward. I just went through a wall, blah 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 blah, and I just flew into the ocean. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. But my wheel is connected to another wheel.
Wait, what?
You should come over here.
I'm coming. Whenever I broke the game and was at negative studs and just flew over. Remember when I flew into his car and he launched and I just went like flying? We should do that again and see how high or far we get.
You get like 2 front wheels.
What the?
Okay, get in your seat. Launch. You always stay on. I hope we don't get hit by water. I hope they don't get hit, 'cause they'll probably gonna fly off. Right?
Yeah.
It's not connected. What did I say? Off and off.
Wait, what the hell? How?
My car cut a tank from a certain angle.
Wait, yeah. It's above is when it looks like a tank.
Oh, come on.
Wait, do you dare me to launch?
Yeah.
I'm at negative 5,000 studs.
Wait, Danny left.
Wait, I dare you to launch when I run into it. No. To return. Return. I want to do it. Return.
I need to do this first.
Yeah, but I'm going to run out of fuel.
I was going so fast on a jump. I literally hit the car.
I somehow jumped. Okay. Oh my god. Want to see something? Don't launch. Do not. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Wait for it. Now launch. Fast. But no, not yet. You ran me over and I just blew up and I had enough fuel to stay. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Both of us launched at a similar time. How are you going faster than me and I have 2 engines?
I don't know. How does having 2 engines even make sense? I just bounced off a wall. But yeah, that makes total sense. I'm literally just bouncing off. I just went to right through a cone. Oh my god.
So I launch.
Hold up. I was. And I just fell off the bridge.
I'm gonna get it to your car.
Wait, hold up. Launch. I'm gonna go backwards. And I'm going, not yet, when I come back to your thing.
Okay.
Okay, hold up. Let me get on your road. Launch. What? What? can just go back for some reason.
It's nuts.
Wait, oh my god, I just flung. Wait, I'm a blow up.
I'm launching it. See? Wait, Sawyer. You hate to do it. You hate to one side stay.
Ow,
I just saw somebody blow up.
that was me.
Were you in your parking spot?
What?
Were you in your parking spot?
Oh no, I was somewhere else. Okay.
1 sec. I need to upgrade my car. We can upgrade our cars now.
Okay, can I see real fast? Why is there never enough things?
I'm gonna make my car long but short, which is confusing if you think about it much.
Excuse me.
And buy whatever you need as long as it's in the shop.
I think I need some wheels. Yeah, right there. Boom. And wait, I only needed one wheel. Bruh.
I got some blue fuel. Wait, I'm gonna delete some stuff, but keep the passenger seat where it is.
Wait, is it just going? You should do that. Make the passenger seat float.
Okay. It's floating.
Wait, is it still? Okay. Are we ready to watch?
No, I'm not.
Okay. I'm just going to dance.
Whatever. Sawyer,
What?
my car.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Tell me when it looks good.
I'm coming.
Car, buddy.
Yeah. I'm coming. Oh god. Wait, watch this. Oh crap. Calvin, watch this.
I'm busy.
Oh, sorry. Oh crap. Oh, that didn't work. Oh crap.
Okay, I'm ready, Chase.
Okay,
Not yet.
on the countdown. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready. This is going to be the last part of the video, the race.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, 0.
I am showing you now.
What?
You want me to play that easy? No way! I'm so slippery. Wait, I lost the wheel.
Okay.
I lost the wheel.
Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you have a great day and peace. Please like and subscribe.